Welcome back, guys. अब हम करेंगे practical electricity question 9 paper 2 5054. Let's start. Question 9. Figure 6.1 shows a 240-volt AC main supply connected to a television, two lamps. So, it's a television और दो lamps हैं 40 watts के each in parallel. Or in normal operation, the power supply to each lamp is 40 watts and the power supply to the television is 120 watts. Calculate in normal operation the total power supply. The total power supply will conclude 120 plus 40 plus 40. ये दो लैंप्स हैं और एक टेलीविजन है. दैट विल बी 200 watts. समझ आ गई? So let's check. 200 watts. The total number of kilowatt hours of the energy supplied to the circuit in 3 hours. So आपको पता है कि power is equals to energy divided by time. Time हमारे पास क्या है? 3 hours. And since they are asking us in kilowatt hours, answer हमने kilowatt hours में बताना है. So first of all, we're gonna divide the 200 watts by 1000 to make it into kilowatt hours. So 200 divided by 1000 will give us 0.2 kilowatts. The power is 0.2 kilowatts. 0.2 kilowatts is equals to energy divided by time. Time क्या है हमारे पास? Time है हमारे पास 3 hours. And since the units are hours and kilo, तो हम इधर ही simply 3 लिख देंगे. तो 0.2 into 3 will be 0.6 kilowatt hours. So that is going to be the answer. As simple as that. The current in each lamp, the current in each lamp will be calculated using the formula P is equals to IV या VI, whatever you want to call it. तो 40 is equals to I क्या हमारे पास निकालने वाला है और V हमारे पास क्या है 240 है. तो I into 240. तो 40 divided by 240 should give us the answer, right? That is gonna be the answer, which is 0.1667 amperes. आप इसको round off कर देना to 0.17 या 0.17 पे इसको round off करना है. Last and the most asked question about this chapter is about the live wire and why, for example, fuse is connected to a live wire, not the neutral wire, or why the switches are placed on the live wire, not the neutral wire. So the answer is pretty easy. The answer is because the switches are placed on the live wire because for safety reasons. जो live wire होती है, it carries the current from the power source to the device. और जब switch is in the live wire, turning it off stops the current flow. ठीक है ना? अगर आप switch को off कर दोगे, it will stop the current flow. ठीक है ना? So basically, if the switch was in the neutral wire, the device होता है, it could still have some voltage in it, or it could be hazardous. It could pose a shock. आपको shock कर सकती है वो device if the switch is placed in the neutral wire because it will not completely shut off the voltage. It will still have voltage inside the circuit. So that could be hazardous. So placing the switch in the live wire will prevent accidental shocks and ensure safer options. So that is going to be the answer. So let's read the answer given to us in the mark scheme. If in neutral wire, rest of circuit, lamp, television, not live, still high voltage, still 240 volts. Or live wire has high voltage, 240 volts can cause shock. If neutral wire when switched off, circuit lamps not live, still high voltage, still 240 volts. ठीक है ना? So it will not change. तो आपको ये दिमाग में रखना है. This answer is pretty repetitive. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.